Welcome, this is TechnoMaszBud. This video is dedicated to the CR-700 disc chipper. The CR-700 chipper is designed for processing and disposing of wood waste by shredding branches, slats, cut-offs, lamellas and other elements. The chipper is used in sawmills, forestry enterprises, woodworking plants, municipal services and many other organizations that need wood waste shredding. The processed raw material is converted into chips ranging from 5 to 45 millimeters. The shredded material can be used for the production of pellets and briquettes, as raw material for smoking, as fuel for heating boilers and for many other applications. Having such a machine in an agricultural enterprise is of great importance, as wood waste can take up a lot of space without bringing any benefits and may even generate disposal costs. The capacity of the machine is up to 10 cubic meters of finished chips per hour of operation. Productivity depends on the type and moisture content of the wood. The maximum branch diameter suitable for shredding is 160 millimeters. The feed opening is 210 millimeters wide and 160 millimeters high. The chipper outlet can change the direction of the chip flow in two planes and rotates 360 degrees. The wood shredder can be equipped with different types of drive, such as a tractor PTO shaft or an electric motor with a power of 22 kilowatts. The working element of the CR-700 chipper consists of a 700 mm diameter disc with knives mounted on it. On the opposite side of the disc a fan is installed, which generates the required air pressure to discharge the chips through the outlet. The chipper knives are made of alloy, hardened tool steel with high hardness, which ensures high wear resistance. A special feature of the chipper design is the controlled feed mechanism that directs the material from the loading chute into the shredding zone. This is achieved with hydraulically driven rollers with special toothed grips. These grips eliminate slippage and make the work more convenient. The operator only needs to feed the material towards the rollers. It is worth mentioning the reverse function of the rollers, which, like forward feeding, is controlled by a lever. This makes it possible to retract material from the cutting zone if for any reason it is not shredded or does not require shredding. Another unique feature of the machine is the presence of a roller speed regulator, which allows the chipper to be adjusted to any type of raw material and required performance conditions. The oil filter ensures long service life of hydraulic components, while the pressure gauge in this system allows early detection of component failure or filter contamination. An important feature of this model is that the material is fed into the cutting zone at an angle of 90 degrees. This allows the production of the highest quality chips, which can consequently be used in boilers with a screw feeding mechanism. For transport convenience, this model has many parts that can be easily folded or disassembled, saving space and allowing more economical transport. By purchasing our products, you receive a safe machine with high operational reliability and 12 months warranty with full technical support. We carry out full quality control at all stages of machine production. If you have any questions, please contact our hotline at the number provided in the description. Our specialists will help you choose the right machine and provide all necessary answers.